Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you another unboxing and first impressions, and this is of the Pixel 5a. Now, really, this is a huge upgrade in my opinion from last year's model with a reduced price, because you get the main thing I think everyone in the mid-range wants, and that is a bigger battery. Really big increase if you're coming from the Pixel 4a, but if you're coming from the Pixel 4a 5G, it's still a significant bump. And that is really great because if you're looking for a mid-range or something to upgrade to from the 4a or the 4a 5G, this is pretty much easy. Similar, little bit bigger screen, tiny bit more than the 4a 5G, but what it really gives you, it definitely counts. And you do have that black with a subtle green tint. It really is just mostly black, but you do have that green button right there, which I absolutely love. The accents that they give them, really fairly unibody. It is glass, but it has like a plastic feel. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It just, you know, will basically not leave fingerprints. That is the really thing I like about it, that matte finish. We have this. And while we turn that on, show you what else in the box. So you have your power adapter, still comes with it. How about that? You have your cable, and much appreciated the transfer cable. I feel like this is coming less and less in devices, but if you want to transfer from your old Pixel, from your old Android, or from an old iPhone to this one, this is how you do it. Now, I did go ahead and already get a case, so let me show you that since everyone always asks what case did I put on it. This one is from Ghost Tech. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Like the protection for it, I actually used the kickstand version on my Pixel 5. So, really do like it. It does obviously get dirty over time, so just know that with any clear case. But I think if you want to show off the look and have really good protection around the corners, this is a great one to go with. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then give you my first impressions. So yeah guys, the Pixel 5a is just as good as you expect, really beating out on photo-wise a lot of other phones, even besting the S21 Ultra at times and definitely the OnePlus 9. So if you want a really great camera at a under $500 price point, this is it. It is really good, and I love the addition of the wide angle. It just adds to so much more versatility. But as you can see, even in these product shots, low light, everything it has, it just is really great to have everything that you need camera-wise here. Now, I also will say the battery life is the second thing that everyone was really expecting to be great. And I can tell you, although I have not daily drove it yet, the standby time and using it has been great. I've charged it at launch, and now it's 4 to 5 days later and it's still running strong. So I really like that bit that you have the two top things that I think most people will care about. If you want great camera and great battery life, don't need all the bells and whistles out there, but you still have things like the water resistance, you're pretty happy here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is there more that you need from a smartphone than battery life and camera quality? Let me know in the comment section. Is it speed? Is it 5G? What do you really need right now? And I will take all that into consideration before the review. Thank you again for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.